Here's the setup. Ken Woven did a $25,000 giveaway this last year.
For our Design Sessions members.
Yes.
Now, when you won the money, the $25,000, we also gave away an hour video call consultation.
Hello, Susan. I'm Lily. I'm here with the Ken Woven team, and we're just going to make sure the audio and everything is all set up for your call today.
Instead of us getting on the computer screen,
we're going to be at her door.
ding dong.
So, Brody and I are going on a little trip. It's a work trip for me, but I'm bringing Brody and I'm practicing wearing him because it's a 2-day trip. It's 36 hours actually. Gonna have to basically do all of his naps on me on the airplane, and then we're gonna be filming and I'm just gonna wear him. It's gonna be great. Brody, you're getting a bald spot. I am finishing getting ready this morning to leave tomorrow for Operation Surprise.
Becky is flying into San Diego first. You're flying with me, and I'm bringing Brody. I'm gonna book the flights. Tyler, can you book the rental car?
Oh yeah, I got the Lambo SUV.
Oh, you got a Lambo? Does it fit a car seat?
I am trying to think through all of the logistics as one does when traveling with a baby.
Brody drinks 5 or 6 ounces of bottle. He eats 7 times a day. That's like 30 ounces of milk a day. That is a lot of milk. That's 60 ounces that I have to leave for you to feed the baby every single time. You know, I should do that. That way you
should bring the baby.
Yeah.
When I first planned this trip, I was not gonna bring Brody. But then Brody has been having some weird things where he's like preferring the bottle and it's making me a little nervous. I'm worried if I leave him for 2 days and just have a bottle the whole time, I'm gonna come home and he's not gonna wanna nurse. So I'm bringing him with me. Also, I just realized a lot of you on YouTube have never seen my bathroom. Here's my bathroom. It's nothing great. This is how it was when we moved in. And like most of us, we have to take time with our renovations. So I have yet to renovate this bathroom. So one day we'll renovate it. I just wanted to call that out. All right, let's get going with the day. It is 6:15, which I'm right on time. Brody, are you ready to go to the airport? We're just praying that everything's gonna go well. We just gotta get there, and we're gonna get in and out.
In and out meaning what?
In and out meaning the burger.
Right.
Okay, Bubba, are you ready? Callie, here we come.
Goodbye, my love.
Okay, baby's asleep. We're ready to go. Now we just gotta get on the plane. Stay asleep. All right, we made it to California. Brody, you did so good on the flight. You did really good. Did you have fun? Gotta get our rental car, get to the Airbnb, get some in and out. Can't wait. If you only knew what just happened. Brody was screaming, crying, completely unable to be consoled. Now he's fine. I'm a little traumatized, and so is Angela. But Angela went and got the good stuff. So I think our day is looking up. So glad that Aunt Lynn came to visit.
I'm so glad too, honey.
Yay!
Yay!
Is it your grandpa?
Watching TV.
What are you watching? Tractor Ted? Tractor Ted, baby. Whoa.
Say night-night, mommy.
Mommy, mommy.
I love you, mommy.
I love you.
Yeah.
You made it up the hill. How scary. Come on in. Mom, did you like that I turned all of the lights on for you? I'm so impressed. You always have to turn the lights on when my mom comes. Becky likes lighting. Even though we're all going to bed in like 10 minutes. Wait until the morning when you wake up and see the view we have out there. It's really beautiful. I
can't wait.
I went to bed at California time and woke up in Tulsa time. I'm exhausted, but it's worth it to keep him on Tulsa time because we're gonna be home tomorrow. Let's go see if Mimi's awake. Mimi. Hey. Hello, precious. Oh, and he's smiling. Come and see your Mimi. Woke up at 5. We're hanging out. He ate, and then we're gonna put him down for a nap around 6:30. Then I'm gonna get ready, and then he'll be up around 8 to eat, and we have to leave at 8:30. Final piece. Fabulous, fabulous. Small hoop, bigger hoop, more diamond. And then you're gonna take a nap when we get there, right? We're ready to go. Okay, we're all in the car. We're ready to go. Whew, if I can make it down the driveway. Mom, will you film?
Yes.
You guys, I was losing sleep over that drive down, and now the day's gonna go great.
If that's the biggest hurdle we have, we're golden.
I know.
Here's the setup.
Yeah.
A lot of you may know that Ken Woven did a $25,000 giveaway this last year.
For our Design Sessions members.
Yes. At the end of the year in December, the name was pulled out, unbeknownst to us because we hired an independent company to do it. And the winner happens to live about an hour and a half away from San Diego.
Now, when you won the money, the $25,000, we also gave away an hour video call consultation.
Yeah.
So she thinks right now that she's getting to do an hour Zoom call with us to go over talking about our consultation.
So in Tulsa, Lily is on her computer setting up this Zoom call.
Almost time. Here we are over at the Ken Woven offices on our end, getting ready for the Zoom while Sharrah and Rebecca and Dorian are secretly on their way.
We're scheming.
Scheming. So we'll see how this plays out.
And Dorian, our videographer who lives in San Diego, we told the winner, hey, can we send our videographer to come over and film you having the Zoom call? We're gonna film it on our end in Tulsa, you film it in your end, and we'll get some pictures of your house.
Instead of us getting on the computer screen.
Hi, I see you.
Hello.
Hello, Susan. I'm Lily. I'm here with the Ken Woven team, and we're just gonna make sure the audio and everything is all set up for your call today.
We're gonna be at her door. Ding dong. We gotta walk up her hill though.
Well, yes, but we can't.
It's gonna be so fun.
It's gonna be so fun. We've never done anything like this before. No. I think we should do more of it in the future.
I do too.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
I'm just getting a couple things ready on this back end, so if you'll just bear with me for just a few minutes.
No problem. Let me go check my email real quick and I'll be right back.
Okay, sounds good.
My heart is beating through my chest. I'm fine too. Probably because we just walked up Mount Everest.
Yeah. Who is it? Oh my God. That was. They were like, she's almost there. So I'm thinking, there's almost, oh my God. And I'm never surprised. You totally surprised me. Oh my God. I don't get surprised. Did you know about this?
No, you didn't. Hi, I'm Sharrah.
Hello, Sharrah.
Yeah, this is Brody. So nice to meet you.
I don't get surprised. I'm never surprised.
You want to cry?
Oh, it didn't. I don't do that either. Come on in, you guys. Hi, baby.
Your house is beautiful.
So this is my husband, Charles, you guys.
Hi, Charles. Nice to meet you.
I'll be down in the background.
You do?
No, you kept protected him. That's good. I love it.
Oh my gosh. Okay, have a seat. Where do you want to sit? Where do you want to go?
How beautiful this
Thank you.
looks.
Thank you. I learned from you.
Wow. Got your table set
I
and
know.
everything.
Thank you.
And you didn't
Thank
even know we
you.
were coming. Look at these
I did
bar
not know you were
stools.
coming.
I love the brass bar stools. Okay, we saw the before photos.
Yeah.
And this is amazing.
Thank you.
You did
Thank
such a great
you.
job.
Thanks. I'm glad we cleaned up. What if we didn't?
Guess what I heard this morning? What? That you were the person when we did the live Q&As.
Yes.
That sent this.
Yes.
And that piece.
I was just telling him about that.
Furniture.
Oh, you told me to turn the mirror. Remember, it was vertical.
Right.
You said turn it sideways. I did that. You said at a shelf.
Right.
I did that.
Good.
Move the TV down. I did that.
Oh, it's so good.
And I don't know if you remember from the photos, but this was actually over there. So we moved that
I
here for your
remember
recommendation.
That. Thought, would that fit
See,
in there?
I paid attention.
Good job. Girl, I'm so proud of you.
Thank you. Thank you.
What would you say is like, because a lot of the stuff that you did in this home, would you say you learned from the design sessions? What would you say is like the number one or top two things?
Symmetry.
Symmetry.
Yeah.
Love
Symmetry and just clean lines, making everything clean and cohesive and neutral, and
I love it.
there's a lot of different design shows out there that I've watched on YouTube, and they all have different styles. So when I found you for Christmas, is how I found you, was for Christmas stuff.
Good.
And I just followed you, went back to your older videos and just kept looking at your videos throughout time, and I was like, that's my style. Good. And then when you did the Cliff House, I was like, Charles, I want that house. We can't have that house. We gotta make this.
Right?
You have a beautiful view.
Thank you.
We're driving here. We're like, oh
Yeah.
my gosh, look at that.
So we even know this is in Lake Elsinore, right?
I know. Look at the snowy mountains you have.
Right?
Yep.
That's amazing. Your bedroom is so pretty. Oh my gosh, Susan, this is beautiful. Oh my gosh, in your closet? Did you do that? Or was that like that?
No,
Oh. For real, I am so freaking impressed. Sorry, I'm just making myself home over here, but wow, and you have it all staged. Are you sure you were surprised?
I'm totally.
I think you knew we were coming. Go look at that closet, you guys. It is like perfect. Perfect. I do love your headboard. I think the height of your headboard is really great because of those higher windows. I think that was a really awesome decision. Okay, this is our winner. This is Susan. Tell them hey.
Hello.
Okay, she won the $25,000 and she just gave us the most amazing tour. You've done such a great job with your home.
Thank you.
And Brody's sleeping. Everything just worked out perfectly. We were really worried that you weren't going to be surprised, that you maybe caught on.
Not at all.
Okay. I mean, you almost cried, I feel like.
And I don't do that.
Really?
I'm just not that type. No, I'm never surprised. But I was like, is everything okay? I wanted to go dust.
Right.
Get everything. Wait, before you come and stay here, I'll be right back.
The cameras can't see dust. It's okay.
Okay,
Honestly,
good.
nothing looked dusty. I truly don't think I saw a speck of dust.
Well, thank you. I really appreciate you guys being here.
Yeah. Now we're gonna go to lunch. We're gonna go to Anthony's maybe. I don't know. We're gonna go somewhere. Somewhere yummy. Okay. Yeah. We are all packed up. Angela, Brody, and me, and we're about to get everybody loaded in the car to take a nap. Are you ready?
Sawyer, Mommy's almost home. Mommy's almost home. You want to see Mommy?
Hey, can I have a kiss? All right, so that was an amazing trip. Susan and Charles were literally a dream. They were so wonderful. I'm so impressed with everything that Susan did in her home. Every single corner, I mean, it was so well designed. She still had little areas and rooms and hallways and connecting spaces that she wants to transform, which is gonna be really exciting to see what she does. But man, it is so rewarding. You know, we make these videos at home and our goal is to help and inspire you guys and teach you the principles you need to do it yourself. And when we get to show up at your house, completely surprising you, not knowing we're coming, and your home looks beautiful, and it's like a kin woven home. I mean, it's like so well put together, so intentionally thought through, and that you learn that information from my mom and I. It's just so rewarding to see that full circle and to get to do that. And so, man, that was just really special. When you're a member of the design sessions, you don't just get access to this library of interior design content and resources and all the wonderful things we talk about, But you also get access to the personalized support. We do a live Q&A, so you guys have access just like Susan got. She got intentional detail tips and tricks and like support for her house. She submitted her room photos and my mom gave her advice. And also she got the chance to win this awesome giveaway. And the fact that we were able to show up at her house, like that was so fun. And my mom and I 100% are gonna do a couple other things, you know, in that realm, doing giveaways, doing surprise events. I wanna do a trip where we all go somewhere, pick a few of you guys and go do something really fun. My favorite part of the whole time going to visit them was we went to lunch. We took them out to lunch after. We all sat around the table and we just like caught up and chatted and got to know them. Like we don't get to meet you guys that often. And so it's just so special to have this community within the design sessions and just have the opportunity to do things like this where we can bless you guys, we can surprise you guys, we help you with your homes, and we get to know you. It's like a win-win all around. So I would love to know if you guys would love to see more of this type of thing where we do giveaways and we travel to see you or bring you to us or whatever. I think, you've literally never done that before. You're such a ham. So if you want to see more of these types of giveaways, leave me a comment below and let me know if this is exciting to you guys, because we sure had a really fun time. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. Little bunny Fufu and I have got to get back to playing toys with this crazy kid. I love y'all, mean it, and I'll see you on the next vlog or the next fun decorating video we do together. I can't wait. Hope you're having a good week. Bye.